realistically, we can expect lawmakers to legislate something, Professor, that will go against their own interests.
Oh yeah, that's a different matter, ano? Kasi we might have the momentum in terms of the timing. Kaya nga lang, in terms of the support that would be given by our lawmakers, that remains a big question mark, ano? Hindi natin alam to what extent our lawmakers are going to support this. However, siguro, if we're going to compare, the two versions of the anti-dynasty bill, one is the one is being pushed for by Speaker Boji D, and that seems to be a compromise or a sabihin na natin na realistic or diluted anti-dynasty bill. On the other hand, meron may version ng progressive bloc, yung Makabayan bloc, na very ideal. Kumbaga man, I think ito yung version na makaka-realize ng goal at saka yung vision ng 1987 Constitution with regard to the dynasties. Between the two, tingin ko yung mga lawmakers natin, majority of whom are members of political dynasties, if they would be given a choice, they would probably, or they would tend to support the one that's being pushed for by the speaker. O kasi yun, at least andun pa rin, marami pa rin pwedeng tumakbo sa kanilang mga angkan, kaya nga lang limited na. On the other hand, doon naman sa isang version, yung version ng Makabayan Bloc, yung talaga, I think, isa lang ang pwedeng tumakbo sa isang pamilya. So, if mas acceptable, tingin ko mas acceptable para sa mga lawmakers natin, yung version ni House Speaker Boji D.